Grace David and welcome to GD Line Dance YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of the dance called Cover Me Up With Love. It's choreographed by Mr. David Hoyn, the LDF Ambassador for Sydney, Australia, and myself, Grace David, LDF Ambassador for South Korea. It has 48 counts, 2 wall, a beginner waltz line dance. Leading on our left foot, so we turn our right as we start. First section, we're going to do a half turning basic. So we step our left foot forward, half turn of the left shoulder, stepping right foot back, now facing 6. Step our left next to right, back on our right, step left next to right, in place on the right foot. We're going to do the exact same thing. Step our left foot forward, half turn, stepping right foot back, now facing 12, together on our left, back, together, in place. Next section, we're going to turn 1 into our left as we step our left foot forward, facing 10-30. Slow hitch for counts 2, 3. Back on our right, half turn over left shoulder, stepping left next to right, now facing 4-30, and a forward step on the right foot. Step left forward, slow kick for counts 2, 3. Back on our right, half turn, stepping left next to right, facing 10-30, and a forward step on your right foot. Next section, we're going to do a 1-8 twinkle step. So forward on your left, 1-8 turn to our left, stepping our right on the side, and side on our left foot. We're going to do a weave step, cross, side, behind. 1-8 turn to our left, stepping the left foot forward, now facing 7-30. Another 1-8 turn to your left, pointing your right foot on the right side, and hold for count 3. We're going to step our right foot back, point left on left side, and hold for count 6. We're still facing 6 o'clock. We're going to do a twinkle step. So that's cross, side, side. We step to our left, cross, side, behind, side, drag, slightly touch, side, drag, slightly touch. That's the end of 48 counts, and start all over again. Now let's try that with numbers. Weight on your right foot, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, hold 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Start all over again. This dance has no tag and no restart. I hope you enjoy it as much as we did.